Hey, it's Chachi here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I use Amla Hair Oil by Asna Beauty in my wash day routine. So keep on watching to see how to get this look. This is the Amla Hair Oil by Asna Beauty. The night before wash day, I apply this Amla oil all over my root to tip, and I make sure to massage the oil into my scalp as well. Amla hair oil helps to stimulate hair growth. It revitalizes and strengthens dry and or damaged hair. It locks in moisture to help eliminate split ends and frizzy hair. It delivers unbelievable hair shine and softness, and it's enriched with vitamin C and antioxidants. It has no chemicals, no mineral oil, no synthetics, no sulfates, and it's non-GMO. Here I'm wrapping my hair in with this microfiber hair towel to help protect my pillow from getting all oily. So the next day, I sleep with my hair like that overnight. The next day, I take a shower as usual, wash my hair, shampoo, conditioner, and then I start styling how I usually style. And I use the leave-in conditioners, I use hair smoothies and creams, and then afterwards it's usually a gel to keep the hold. And I also use my Cantu Detangling brush in order to just get all of the products through my hair evenly, and then also to brush forward upside down just to give my hair a little bit of lift and volume. And then I start scrunching in the gel. So I kind of use that same process each time. The leave-in conditioner, the cream, the gel, in that order. It's always something different. I usually kind of have certain routines, certain products that I use, and every so often I'm always changing, trying new things, seeing what works best. So I did list below in the captions what I used in this particular video. Once I've scrunched in all the products and I'm satisfied with the way my hair looks wet, I then diffuse my hair until it's dry, and then this is the final product. Comment below and let me know what you guys think of the final product, and thank you for watching. Bye.